What's up, y'all? Happy, is it Friday? Yeah, it's Friday. It just doesn't feel like Friday. Y'all, yesterday was really, really stressful. After I stopped vlogging, y'all, the rest of that day, so stressful. And I know I'm not telling y'all, you know, what happened, because of course it's not nobody's business, but I guess this is my way of venting. I don't know, but y'all, just pray for us. I'm out here getting some sun, trying to de-stress, because I heard that the sun is a de-stressor. I didn't know that. I probably should have known that, because I always say that, you know, when I come out here, I feel a lot more calm. They loud. I feel a lot more calm, and I just feel better by the time I'm done being out here. I just feel so good. I don't know. It's weird, y'all. Y'all should try it. If you're stressing, upset, or anything, go and get you some sun. Get you some sun, or just go outside. You know what I'm saying? I'm tired. Y'all, I'm so tired. Yeah, I went to bed really late last night. I hardly got any sleep. I'm still sleepy, but, you know, I needed to get up. I am so in love with that daggone float, y'all. Oh my God. I can't believe how big it is. And it's cute too. Anyway, I'm gonna holler y'all. What's up, y'all? So I'm about to make that grinder salad. I already did it on here, but I'm about to do it again. Because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a sub from what is it, Firehouse sub, the Italian sub. I'll make my own grinder salad and I'm gonna put it on there. Let me straighten it up a little bit. Is that better? Yeah. So right now I'm about to move this way so y'all can see. I'm about to chop up this red onion. It calls for half a red onion. The rest of the ingredients, I'm just going to eyeball, because I've done it before. Okay, so let me see how I do this. I'm just going to slice them like this. Slice all of these in just one half. Just like that. That's it. Put them in the bowl. red wine vinegar. Like I said, I'm eyeballing it. So you do what you want to do. You can look up a recipe. Of course, I got this from TikTok. Crushed red pepper. They want you to put a cup of mayonnaise. So I'm gonna try to do a cup. That looks like a cup. And then some of these pepperoni peppers. Say 2 to 3 cloves. Ooh. And then they said to season it with some salt and pepper. This is some pink Himalayan salt. I'm just gonna have this for you to be. And some fresh cracked black pepper. This is before you put the shredded lettuce, iceberg lettuce in. But I'm just gonna use the iceberg lettuce that they're gonna put on my sandwich when I get there. I'm just gonna tell them to give it to me, and I'm gonna put it in here because I don't even have any iceberg lettuce, y'all. I have I have romaine lettuce, and the recipe says specifically not to use that lettuce because it gets soggy fast. So. I'm just gonna use their lettuce, and then you just stir this up. I wish I had a bigger bowl, but for now, while I go get dressed, I'm going to put this in the refrigerator. It smells so good. Alright, this is what it's gonna look like without the lettuce. Oh my god, it smells amazing. Absolutely amazing. All right, that's all I'm gonna do. Other people have been adding different stuff. I I see people are making it out of a salad now, like I did in the beginning when I first did it. I just ate it as a salad. I didn't put it on a sandwich. But yeah, we're about to try the sandwich today. What up, y'all? This is the fit. Do y'all remember this outfit? Do y'all remember this outfit? Y'all remember how it used to fit on me? I still need to wear this, but I'll take it off for y'all, though. I'll take it off. It's called Progress, baby. Do you see that? No shapewear. It's called Progress. Still have this, but it's going down, people. It's going down. Start to see my true shape. Anyway, I have on some white Adidas. I have on my Fendi glasses. I love these so much. And yeah, I'm gonna put this back on because now I can wear it lower on my waist. And this outfit is so old, y'all. It came from Fashion Nova. So yeah, this is the fit for the day. Oh, I need to go back upstairs and get my chips because I won't be eating no chips from Firehouse today. Cute, cute, cute. All right, let's go. All right, y'all, we are here at Firehouse. I don't know if y'all see it. I don't know if y'all saw that. Anyway, I'm about to go in here. I think I'm just gonna put my grinder salad on, cause I was gonna do it in there, but I don't want to. I think I wanna just do it on camera. Think I should? I like to eat when I get on camera. We gonna see. Y'all, what is going? My phone is tripping. Like, I'm trying to record and it just cuts off. Like, what is going on? Like, it just stopped my video. Y'all, I'm done. I am done. Like, I'm full anyway. Y'all, this was the best sandwich I've ever had. Oh my God. Please believe me when I say you have got to try the grinder sandwich. You have to try it. I'm telling you. Oh my, I'm literally speechless. Where's my bag? I gotta put all this stuff up. Wait a minute. I'm gonna use this for this dirty fork. Cause I can't. Put this in here. Put the dirty fork in there. I gotta remember to take that out. And I'll just put this in the bag right here. Close this upper. All right. Ooh, I need to wipe that thing. Damn. Okay. Y'all, I'm just in little shock how good this sandwich was. Little shock. Too bad Murder Show don't like the grinder salad. He don't like all that on his sandwich. Too bad though, honey. Too bad. Alright. Ain't nobody got time for your picky taste buds. Anyway. So yeah, I encourage you. Y'all, that was a freaking 20 out of 10. Okay? It was a 20 out of 10. Best sandwich, hands down. Hands down, y'all. Oh my God. And you can definitely eyeball that grinder salad. You can eyeball the ingredients, because that's what I did. They were eyeballed, honey. Yum. Anyway, and y'all, Oh my gosh. I have not been checking my DMs on Instagram, y'all. I'm so sorry. Like, like I haven't. Like, I don't have an. I mean, I do have an excuse, but I don't want to explain that. But anyway, I'm on my way. You know what? I'm gonna do something else besides go home. I do. I want to do something else. Where can I go? I can't go eat anything. I'm not doing that. I will be fasting though on Saturday. I mean Sunday. I'm not even hungry. What am I doing? I just ate a large freaking sandwich. Yeah, we may have to go home. I need to go walk Bailey anyway. Bailey wants to go outside so bad. But I can't go out there in this daggone outfit. It's a freaking cat suit. It's gonna be too hot. Anyway, I'll see y'all. Jaden, I see you. He went down into Jaden, we see you. Hey, Bailey. Hey, Bailey. Oh, God, I didn't say get up. Hey, Bailey. Aw, you're a good girl. Yeah?